Did you know one of America's biggest airlines started as a sketch on a cocktail napkin? In 1966, lawyer Herb Kelleher sat in a San Antonio bar listening to his friend complain about expensive flights in Texas. So he grabbed a napkin and drew 3 triangles connected by lines: Houston, Dallas, San Antonio. The airline industry laughed at his bus with wings idea, but established carriers weren't just mocking him, they were terrified. Braniff, Texas International, and Continental immediately launched legal warfare to crush Southwest before it could fly a single passenger. For 4 brutal years, they spent millions in court battles, while Kelleher mortgaged his house just to pay legal fees. Finally, in 1971, the Texas Supreme Court ruled in Southwest's favor, but the company had only $142 left in the bank. They revolutionized flying with no assigned seating, jokes from flight attendants, and dirt cheap fares. By 1977, Southwest went public as America's most profitable airline. Today, that napkin sketch is worth $25 billion.